Electrical engineering, first of all, it's a very broad spectrum, which makes it even more interesting. We have signal processing, circuits, IoT these days. My own field is in power systems, which is very much related to bringing the power to everybody's home, and then at everybody's home, receiving it and using it in different devices. There are so many disciplines working to make that happen. And all of these are related to electrical engineering. Wentworth has this history of hands-on learning, and we have labs, multiple ones, and students get to try and error things that they learn in the lectures, the theory, which is great on its own, but it would be probably more tangible when people see it in action. And because of that, it makes it as if they come to life, and it's a great experience. In my opinion, many of our students would like to start their career right after graduation from Wentworth. And in order for them to be prepared for that path, they should have the skills. And because of that, we revise our curriculum, we modify it, we add courses, we combine courses, we do so much just because we want students to gather the skill that is necessary for them when they get out of here, specifically for their career path. We are in a very fortunate location. Boston in general, it's full of opportunities. There are wonderful companies around here that the students could get into. For instance, Raytheon is there that some of our students get into, and they come with very deep and rich type of a co-op experience. In addition to that, if we talk about the size of our school, there is so much one-to-one type of communication here that's happening. So you get to know your students maybe more on a close-up level. I think students also feel that type of a dynamic. To me, a good educator, in my very humble personal opinion, is the person who motivates well. And if you could motivate them and show them the path of all these wonderful things that they can learn, to me, it's a very dynamic setting. And I learn from them, and I communicate with them, and we exchange thoughts and ideas, and we challenge. There is a challenge in the setting. Doing something for another person, especially if it comes to their education, it's an amazing experience.